What's up? It's your girl Emo, and here today I'm with my volunteer Tina. Say hi, Tina. Hi. Sorry, that's so cringe. Today I'm doing something a little bit different if you can't tell, and I'm squatting down so you can see me because I didn't know how to angle this just right. This is about as high as this wig stand goes, so here I am. But today I'm going to be doing a ombre rainbow pinwheel look that I've been thinking about doing for a long time, but my hair is too short for me to ever hope to do it on myself now. So we have Tina today. I have never dyed a wig before. I have very little experience with wigs. I've only ever tried to wear a wig once, and I'm not very good at it. Regardless, I went ahead and got a human hair wig that I can actually dye, and we'll see how it comes out. And in the future, I'm going to be doing a color remover test to see how these go. Today, I'm going to be using all Arctic Fox colors, using every color of the rainbow, and we will see how it comes out. I'm going to go ahead and just get into it because I feel like this is going to be quite a task. Also, I know this is not sectioned exactly perfectly, but sectioning wigs is not the easiest thing. So I did my best, and hopefully I can keep the colors separated and not blend them in too much. We'll see. I'm gonna get my gloves on and get started. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and put the colors up right now so you can see exactly what I used and just kind of like let it be on screen for a minute so you can look at the colors that I'm using. But yeah, now I'm gonna shut up and get started.
피냐 콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 나는 tripping 피냐 콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 나는 tripping 옐로 피나 콜라다 말고는 헤네시의 콜라타 우리 취향은 너무나 달라 머리부터 발끝까지 힙한 스타일 너는 좀 단정한 애 같아 나를 만나고서 달라져 힙한 말투를 따라하는 게 cute like pie 동그란 볼살은 빵 같아 I don't know about a lot of things 아직도 I'm young and free All these girls don't talk to me on IG but 관심 없지 Cause you got that yellow skin 햇살에는 하얀 skin 만질래 so come and sit 내 차 안에서 하자 kiss 한색의 바리 안에 숨겨놓은 line 나의 only one 바지를 내려놔 우리 엄마가 들으면 안 되지만 네가 들으면 해서 난 라임을 따 이번 여름에 마셨던 술은 다 너를 보기 전에 니나 버디카는 여름에 나 피냐콜라다 내 옆에 피냐콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 나는 tripping
자기야 나를 좀 봐봐 아무리 그래도 취하면 곤란해 드링크에 피나콜라다 맘에 안 들어도 마지막 자리야 잠시만 나가서 걷자 오늘이 아마도 여름의 마지막 밤이야 지나갈 따스함 조금은 가슴에 담고서 우리의 추억을 만들자 I'm so fucking honest 매일 감성적이야 왜 이리 너는 몰라 인스타 감성 따위 다 먹은 도 아니지 뻔한 이야기를 하려는 게 아니라 I just wanna talk about you 올리는 게 아니라 말하고 싶어 I love you 말하고 싶어서 love you 다시 한 번 더 I love you 이 여름에 끝자락에 내게 말해 내일도 나는 아니 영원으로 I promise you 다시 한 번 더 I love you 그 웃음에 나는 fall in love with you.
Okay, that took over 2 hours to apply all of this. Okay, here it is. Here's Tina in her colorful glory. Let me pick up the camera and kind of move it around so you can see the full spectrum. I'm going to let Tina process for about 30-45 minutes and then rinse in as cold as water as my faucet will get, and hopefully that will prevent bleeding as much as possible, and I will be right back to show you the results. Okay, I rinsed, blow dried, straightened, and here we are. Tina is looking a little bit more colorful than she did when I first introduced her, but that's okay. This came out pretty great, if I do say so myself. Let me go ahead and wigs are like really hard to like section apart because there's like all these weird like angled wefts inside of it, so I'll do my best to kind of show the full picture of this. Look how pretty that is. I will say, and I did this for a specific reason, but because all the primary colors are up here and we've got the secondary colors down here, it's kind of looking like, we've got red, blue, and yellow up here looking like the circus, and then we've got purple, orange, and green down here looking like Halloween. I didn't really think that all the way through. My original plan was to maybe do like a red to orange, then orange to yellow, yellow to blue, and just do that all the way around in less sections. But because of my future plans with this wig, that's not the ideal thing. I wanted to make sure I got every color in every quadrant of the head, so that way when I test color removers, I can do 4 different color removers and test them on each color in the hair. So it just works out for that reason. That will be coming up probably in the next few weeks. It might be next week, it might be a few weeks after this video goes up. Not sure yet, but that will be happening if you're interested in that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show you the back a little bit better. I think it looks really cool anyway. But that does it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. I worked really hard on this one and it would mean a lot to me. I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And you can help make that happen. Just hit that little subscribe button. It's right there. Just do it. It's not gonna hurt you. It doesn't bite. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.